Hi, my name is Mateusz, and on this channel we talk about poker and ideas that can improve your life. So if you're interested in that, please go ahead and click the subscribe button because I'll be honored to have you here. In this video we're gonna go over another hand, and this is just a quick hand from a poker tournament, and the blinds are 1500 3k with 375 ante. Is an 888 tournament, and our hero is sitting on a pretty good stack of almost 100 bigs. So let's see what happens with pocket deuces. Yeah, the action falls to us. We are on the middle position and we bump it up to a little over a min raise, and the cutoff shoves for 80k. Everyone folds, and what do we do in this spot? The odds tell us that we need at least 43% equity to call, and do you think we have 80? We have 43% with pocket deuces in this spot? I think we don't, but we call, and the hero shows, the villain shows pocket tens, and we lose 55 big blind pot. So pretty simple, right? But I actually opened equilab here, and you actually have pretty fine hand ranges here. So I selected the MP1, the 3-bet versus MP1 open raise. This is quite tight, 5.13%, and I think we can actually take into account a slightly looser range for 3-betting here. So let's take the versus MP2 open raise. So that's 7.84% of hands. Right? He's shoving 7s plus, ace jack off, and ace 10 suited plus, and king queen suited. So if we apply this range and enter in our pocket deuces, we can see that we've only got 36% of hands, 36% equity. And if we actually try that MP1 open raise, so 5.13% of hands, we would only have 34% equity with pocket deuces. So this clearly shows that we do not have at least 44% equity, and we should not be calling in a spot like this with pocket deuces. What we should be calling with is let's see, I think like pocket tens. Yeah, with pocket tens we would have a little over 44% equity versus his really tight 3-bet shoving range. What about the slightly looser and I would say more real range? How much would we have now? We'd have 51. Yeah, so maybe we could even call this with pocket nines profitably. Yeah, with pocket nines we would have 47% equity almost. So let's check pocket eights. Yeah, pocket eights would be too low. So pocket nines plus, we can call this profitably because we have 47% equity and we only need 44 for break-even call. And let's just check how we do with pocket nines versus the tighter range. Oh, we only have 37.5. So versus the tighter range, pocket tens are a break-even call. So this is something you really need to take into account in tournaments. Even though you have a a big stack of almost 100 bigs in a semi-late phase of the tournament, when people are probably shoving a lot because all the stacks here are small-ish. You should not be calling this light a cutoff 3-bet, because pocket deuces are just too weak. I would say pocket eights, okay, call this with pocket eights plus, but pocket deuces, nah, it's a bad idea. Let's see how, for example, how king jack suited does versus this. Yeah, king jack suited is 35% equity versus the tight range. How about the slightly looser? Yeah, the slightly looser is only 36%. So king jack suited, no good in this spot. But ace 9 suited, ace 9 suited is only 33.6. That's interesting. How about ace 10? Whoa. Even ace jack suited is too weak to call here. Yep. So we should be calling with ace queen suited plus. Ace queen off should be good too, right? Yeah. So in this spot, you're gonna want to call with ace queen plus and pocket eights plus. Yeah, interesting, huh? Yeah, because he just has too much. If this was 10 big blinds shove, then probably pocket deuces would surely be okay with all the dead money in. But this is 25-ish shove, so we need to have over 44% equity to call this profitably. And pocket deuces only have 36%. Yeah, so this is something worth thinking about. That will be it for this hand. If you enjoyed this, please leave a comment below, like this video, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.